been a while. It's been a super long time since I've been on here. If y'all don't already know, it's my birthday weekend. Yay! Happy birthday to me. My birthday was actually Thursday, August 28th. I didn't do too much because I knew I was going to be doing something today. Today is August 30th. I'm going to the Black Rodeo in Phoenix, Arizona. And you guys already know I live out here. So, oh, I'm sorry. No, not Phoenix, Arizona. What the heck? I'm going to the Black Rodeo in Scottsdale, Arizona. I do live out here, so it's something that I've been wanting to go to for a super long time, ever since I moved here from Cali. But I finally get to go, y'all. My man bought my tickets back in May. Yeah, I'm super really excited about this because it's something different. I turned 33. The world is gonna end. No. I turned 33. Very blessed to see 33. I was having my ups and downs every year. I have my ups and downs about my age and about aging and everything else like that. And I think the closer I become to God and talk to myself a lot, it's like, girl, what you worry about? This is a blessing. So yeah, so today we're just gonna do, of course, like a get ready with me. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm doing something just neutral, maybe like a pink eyeliner, I don't know. And then my hair, and then you guys are gonna see me kind of put it all together and see what I got going on and how I'm stepping into this rodeo. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And yeah, let's get into it.
Here we go.
Call a paparazzi, ain't got lips to hide tonight. Cash out this pain, call the rain. Then take me to Tiffany, I want 44 carats on my thing. I want pink diamonds on my belly chain and my nipple ring. I'm grabbing brain, tipping sideways on this candy paint. One saving in money, tonight we gon' ball out. You can catch me high side and drinking brown liquor till I fall out. Let these fools out the house. All that mouth, who they came to see me? Who reppin' like me? Don't make me get up out my seat. Don't make me come up off of this beat. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Don't take a chance because you think you can. Jolene, 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 Jolene. Don't come for my man. You're beautiful beyond compare. Takes more than beauty and seductive stares to come between a family and a happy man. The games you play are nothing new, so you don't want no heat with me, Joey. We've been deep in love for 20 years. I raised that man, I raised his kids. I know my man better than he knows himself. I can easily understand why you're attracted to my man, but you don't want this smoke, so shoot your shot with someone else. Jolene, Jolene, Jolene. I hate to have to act it for you. Peace depends on how you move, Jolene. Me and my man cross those valleys, highs and lows and everything between. Could be rolling like tumbling weeds. Sleep good, happy, cause you can't dig up our planted seeds. No man's gonna stand by me, breathing in my gentle breeze.
So this was the finished makeup look. I did my lashes off camera because baby, that takes a while. I'm not a lash girl like that, but so I'm still kind of like in the learning stages. But I am going to go ahead and do my hair and get back to y'all when I'm done. And we're gonna see the full look, baby. We're gonna see the full rodeo look. So I'll see y'all when my hair is done. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm actually going to I have shorts under here because this is really short. I didn't think it was gonna be that short, but it actually is. I got this from Shein. I got the boots from Amazon. And well, this was a gift. This is to Steve Madden. Got my Apple Watch on. I'm kind of trying to do a play on play. I got my birthday sash that I'm gonna be wearing later, so it kind of, you know, have the gold. And then you guys, I have the hat. Yes, I have the hat, and this is what I'm giving. I should put this on really to see how it would look fully. Am I supposed to go like that? I think I thought I was supposed to. Yeah. So this is how it looks, y'all. If y'all like the look, again, I'm going to the Black Rodeo out here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it should be lots of fun. Let me know how you like this look. I'm gonna go ahead and twirl. Also, check me out on TikTok. I'm going to be posting all my transition steps on there. I'm also going to be doing the shorts on here as well. So just look out for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.